Hey everyone, Rick here. Just gonna do a quick video on some cold starts. I've been on vacation since before Christmas, so it's probably been a few days since the pig's been running. It's been a few days since the Yukon's been going. Pam's car, I was running earlier today. She just did the remote start on it, so that's good to go. So no cold start video with that. It's about -7 right now, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It was above zero yesterday, so above freezing. Yeah, my doors are like froze on this thing. It unlocked fine, but door rubbers are frozen shut. That thing there, I can't use the power door locks because the key fob's messed up, so, and the door locks froze on that. So I'm gonna try some WD-40 before I put the torch to the key. So the WD-40 didn't pan out so great. We're on to this next maneuver. Gonna heat the key up a little bit. Try and get it can't be too much ice in there, but like I say, it was above freezing, so it did get some moisture in it, obviously, and froze it up. Something else I'm gonna mention. One of the other videos there, I was talking about these exhaust connectors and how I mentioned that they were 3-inch. Well, I had a complete brain fart. My exhaust on my truck is 2.5, so I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I'm thinking I should do an upgrade on that at some point in time. But yeah, 2.5-inch exhaust, so that's what I got, was a 2.5-inch connector. So I can slide that over the exhaust and then slide the muffler into the back of it. And then a lot of you have seen these already. Clamps here. So yeah, that's the plan anyway. So I'm gonna try and get this key heated up, see if we can't get that door open. Okay, so the torch trick worked. Now I just gotta get this thing open. I was really frozen. Let's see if the Yukon flashes up. Negative. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. That booster pack was fully charged, and yeah, it's only reading one dot. Ooh, that just barely started. Yeah, it's probably been a week since I last drove this, so that's why it was down on charge. It's been sitting here, and the radio just slowly drains it, so if it wouldn't be below zero, it probably would have started right up. Battery's one of those red top Optimas. It's not like it's an old battery or anything, it just, like I say, the stereo just sucks it down. So anyway, let's move on to the next one. All right, let's see what the pig's got to say at -7, 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, that fuel pump sounds slow. Negative. She needs a boost too. I think first we'll shut this Yukon off. This is an 06. It's got the LQ4 in it. It's completely stock. It's even got the factory air cleaner in it, air box, all that stuff. Nothing done to it. So we're up to full temperature. It's charging pretty high, but that's probably because the battery was low. You shut that off. Cold start number 2. Cool temperature 44 degrees. Intake temperature 20. I got these in Fahrenheit even though I'm in Canada. 'Cause I don't know, I just, when it comes to automotive temperatures, someone says, oh, it's running 220. Yeah, it's getting warm. But on coolant temperatures, I always go by Fahrenheit. Yeah, we're idling at 1200-ish. She's starting to warm up good now. Making some good steam. Still smells a little rich, but it'll come off that 1200 idle here shortly. There we are, we're down right around the 950, 1000 RPM range. He's getting warmed up now, just starting to warm up. We'll let her go a little while longer just to get a good heat cycle in it. Charge those batteries up. Because yeah, back to work tomorrow. And I'm gonna take this over that thing. It's just way more fun to drive this. Okay, we're up to about 180 degrees right now. I think that's where we'll shut her down. Okay, since we're in the neighborhood, we're in the middle of doing these cold starts, we might as well flash this pig up, see what she's got to say. And there you have it. There's cold starts all around. The Yukon, LQ4 completely stock. The Ditch Pig, LY6 with a few goodies. The CRF 300 completely stock. I guess it wasn't, we didn't do too good because two of them had dead batteries, but the bike started no problem. But anyway, that's it for now. Hopefully we can get a little bit more snow than, you know, an 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, whatever that is. Hopefully we can get a little bit more than that. Get this thing out and start spinning around in some snowbanks. We'll talk to you later. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Whew.